Welcome to the Active Health review of the abdominal and back points for the Twaina sequence. This is for a self-guided study. My name is James O'Sullivan. Our first point is REN 8, which is found in the center of the umbilicus. REN 8 functions are that it rescues yang, it strengthens the spleen, it tonifies original qi. REN 4 is found 3 sun inferior to the umbilicus. The functions of REN 4 are that it nourishes yin, strengthens yang, regulates the uterus, benefits original qi, tonifies the kidneys, calms the mind, and roots the ethereal soul. It's important to remember that the distance between the pubic symphysis and the umbilicus is 5 sun. REN 6 is located 1.5 sun inferior to the umbilicus, and REN 6 tonifies qi and yang, it regulates qi, it tonifies original qi, and it resolves dampness. Stomach 25 is located 2 sun lateral to the umbilicus. It promotes the function of the intestines, clears heat, regulates qi, relieves retention of food. Stomach 29 is located 4 sun below the umbilicus and 2 sun lateral to REN 3. Its functions are that it relieves retention or stagnation of blood. Spleen 15 is located 4 sun lateral to the center of the umbilicus on the lateral side of the rectus abdominis. It strengthens the spleen, strengthens the limbs, resolves dampness, regulates qi, stops pain, and promotes the function of the large intestine. REN 12 is found 4 sun superior to the umbilicus. REN 12 tonifies the stomach and spleen, it resolves dampness, it regulates stomach qi, and improves digestion. It's important to note that the distance between the sternocostal angle and the umbilicus is 8 sun. Stomach 21 is found 4 sun above the umbilicus and 2 sun lateral to REN 12. It regulates the stomach, subdues rebellious qi, stops vomiting, and relieves pain. Bladder 13 is found 1.5 sun beside the inferior end of the spinous process of the third thoracic vertebrae, T3. It regulates lung qi, regulates yen and wei qi, tonifies lung qi, stops cough, and clears heat. Bladder 13 is the back shoe point for the lungs. Bladder 15 is found 1.5 sun beside the inferior end of the spinous process of T5, the fifth thoracic vertebrae. It calms the mind, clears heat, stimulates the brain, invigorates blood, nourishes the heart, and nourishes heart yin. Bladder 17 is found 1.5 sun beside the inferior end of the spinous process of T7, and its functions are that it nourishes blood, opens the chest, removes obstructions from the diaphragm, it pacifies stomach qi, tonifies qi and blood, it clears heat and calms the mind. Bladder 18 is found 1.5 sun inferior to the spinous process of T9, the ninth thoracic vertebrae. It benefits the liver and gallbladder, resolves damp heat, moves stagnant qi, benefits the eyes, and eliminates wind. Bladder 20 is found 1.5 sun beside the inferior end of the spinous process of T11, or the 11th thoracic vertebrae, and it tonifies the spleen and stomach, resolves dampness, nourishes blood. Bladder 23 is found 1.5 sun beside or lateral to the inferior end of the spinous process of L2, the second lumbar vertebrae. It tonifies the kidneys and nourishes kidney essence, nourishes blood, resolves dampness, strengthens the kidney function of reception of qi. It brightens the eyes and benefits the ears. Gallbladder 30 is found at the junction of the lateral third and the medial 2/3 of the distance between the greater trochanter and the hiatus of the sacrum. This is when the patient is lying on their side with the thigh flexed. Gallbladder 30 removes obstructions from the channel, tonifies blood and qi, and resolves damp heat. Bladder 36 is found in the middle of the gluteal sulcus at the posterior midline of the thigh. Bladder 40 is found in the middle of the popliteal fossa. The function of bladder 40 are that it clears heat, resolves dampness, relaxes the sinews, removes obstructions from the channel, cools blood, and eliminates stasis of blood. And our last point in this review is bladder 60, which is found in the depression midway between the tendocalcaneus and the lateral malleolus. It expels wind, removes obstructions from the channel, relaxes the sinews, clears heat, invigorates blood, and strengthens the back.